Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to remove unwanted objects from your video using AVCLabs Video Blur AI's new AI Erase tool. First, import your video into AVCLabs Video Blur AI. Next, go to Object Tracking. This allows the AI to automatically follow the object across your video. Then click on the object you want to erase. Left-click to select. Right-click to cancel selection. Keep adjusting until the entire object is fully highlighted. A preview window will pop up showing a blur effect, just skip it. Instead, go to the right side of the interface and click Remove. Wait a moment and the AI will process the video. Once it's done, you'll see the object has been perfectly removed and the background reconstructed naturally. And that's it. It's a simple, clean, and effective way to get rid of anything unwanted in your shot. And if you want to try AVCLabs Video Blur AI yourself, the download link is in the video description. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI editing tips.